Hello everyone, in this step we want to drawing a floor slab in structural model by AutoCAD file and DWG file. At the first we import all DWG file that consists of a slab layer and its opening. At the first we run floor Dynamo file and we want drawing floor slab by Dynamo. At the first we select this DWG file and select floor type and write layer name floor that in AutoCAD file, and we select first step that we want drawing floor. We run it, as you can see. Floor draw, and we're drawing next level and then another level. Oh, okay, next level and next. All of the floor in our model drawing by one click. As you can see, all of the floor drawn. If you like in this tutorial, don't forget like, subscribe and comment for me.